In this video, we'll be talking about dashboard management in the Grafana dashboarding environment. Grafana is a collection of dashboards in a shared environment where you can create dashboards for any purpose and share them with your colleagues all across your production floor. You can search for dashboards by title or by tag. So that way you can easily find it even when you have created a lot of dashboards. Dashboards can be structured in a tree structure. So you have multiple levels of folders, and then in the bottom level, there will always be the dashboards themselves. Dashboards have version control, and you can also control who has permission to edit or view your dashboard. And this can be controlled on the dashboard or on the folder level. Let's have a look at what this looks like in real life. So to go to the dashboards, in the menu at the left here, we select dashboards, and then you'll see that there is already some dashboards and some folders created. So if I want to search for a dashboard, I can start typing here, and it will just return everything that matches, whether it is a folder or a dashboard. If I want to filter on tags, I can do that. I've created one dashboard with a tag here. And then it will filter on both of these combined. To go into the dashboard settings, you have to click Edit here, go to Settings, and then you'll see here you can add tags. You can change what folder your dashboard is in, or change the title of your dashboard. For the control of permissions, you go to this Permissions tab. As you can see, I have the default permissions, which is the admin role mapped to the admin permission and so on. Also, the user that created the dashboard, which is admin in this case, will always have admin permission on a dashboard, unless this is changed later, of course. And in this case, I've added a viewer to have more permissions than he usually has being added. Adding permissions can be done here and can be done to a user or a specific role. And you can add any of the three permissions. Removing permissions is just as easy, so you can remove them here and then it's gone. For the version control, that can be found here. So you can see that a certain amount of versions already exist, and you can always go back to a previous version. Doing so, for example, by clicking the restore on this third version, you get a pop-up to be sure. And then after a reload, you'll see that the notes say this was restored from version 3. And it actually creates a new version so that you can also go back to any of the other versions in between, even if you didn't want that. Yeah, this reversal. So I can, for example, also go back to the previous version from which I started restoring. Now for the dashboard structure, usually what we do is creating a folder for Factry, a folder for personal dashboards where people can experiment, and a folder for production dashboards, where, for example, some shared dashboards are that are refined and approved by multiple people to be representative of your process. All right. That's it for the dashboard management.